Finding the right mobile spray tan equipment can be overwhelming, especially when you want to ensure flawless results for your clients. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Pop-Up Spray Tan Tent. Let's kick things off with the Pop-Up Spray Tan Tent by Existing Beauty. Priced at $49.99, this tent caught my eye for its professional-grade design and portability. If you want a clean, mess-free application space without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This tent is designed for both salon and mobile use, which means it's perfect for keeping overspray contained, giving you a hygienic space for every client. Made from waterproof material, it prevents any leakage while ensuring easy cleanup, something you'll appreciate after a busy day of appointments. It's lightweight, weighing only 6 pounds, and folds down compactly, making it easy to transport. Plus, over 1,000 units have been sold in the past month, showing that many professionals trust this product. Now, some people complained about its size, saying it might feel cramped for larger clients. Here's the thing though, unless you're working with exceptionally tall or wide clients, it should be just fine. It provides enough space for most people, and its spacious design combined with a sleek black exterior helps maintain a professional appearance. This is perfect for you if you're a mobile spray tan technician looking for a hassle-free setup. Skip this one if you often tan larger clients, as they might need a more spacious option. Overall, it's a great value for its price. Now, if the pop-up spray tan tent's size concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach with even more spaciousness.
Product number 2. HVLP Spray Tan Machine. Also from Existing Beauty. Priced at $124.99. This machine stood out for its sleek design and promise of delivering a flawless tan. If you want precision and ease of use, this one's definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The HVLP technology means you get a smooth and even application every time, which is crucial for a natural-looking tan. It's versatile, able to handle all skin types, and the included expert tanning instruction ensures even beginners can achieve great results. With over 700 units sold recently, it's clear that many professionals are opting for this machine. Now, I'll be real with you. Some users mentioned it can be tricky to clean after use, but here's the thing. If you take the time to properly maintain it, the performance and results you'll achieve make it all worthwhile. Just consider it part of your post-session routine. This is perfect for you if you're a salon owner or mobile technician wanting reliable performance. Skip this if you need something that's completely maintenance-free, as that's not realistic in this line of work. For the price, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for spacious setups.
Product number 3. The Large Deluxe Spray Tan Tent. The Large Deluxe Spray Tan Tent by Kobe Tan is next, priced at $47.99. I was drawn to its pop-up design and practical features. If you want an easy setup with great visibility, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The tent pops up in seconds, allowing you to create an instant tanning booth without any hassle. The clear window design and generous dimensions provide ample lighting, which is key for achieving that perfect tan without shadows. It also has a fan-ready opening for ventilation, ensuring comfort for both you and your clients. Over 400 units sold in the last month reflect its popularity among professionals. However, some users found it a bit flimsy compared to sturdier options. Here's the thing, while it's not the most heavy-duty tent, its portability and ease of use make it a great choice for mobile technicians who need something lightweight. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a portable solution that's easy to set up. Skip this one if you want a tent that can withstand heavy use in a busy salon. For its price, it delivers good value and ease of use. Now, if you liked the tent idea but want something that comes with more equipment, let's check out the next option. Product number 4. Commercial Spray Tan Machine Kit. The Commercial Spray Tan Machine Kit, also from Existing Beauty, at $219.99. This kit includes everything you need, which really caught my attention. If you want a comprehensive solution for both salon and home use, this is one to seriously consider. Here's why this matters for you. This kit includes not just the spray machine, but also a spacious pop-up tent and multiple solution cups. It's designed for both professionals and home users, making it versatile for anyone wanting to achieve salon-quality results without the salon price. The premium accessories ensure a hygienic and comfortable experience for your clients. With over 300 units sold recently, it's gaining traction. Now, some customers mentioned that the initial setup can be a bit confusing, but here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the ease of use and quality results you can deliver are totally worth it. Just give yourself a little time to familiarize yourself with it. This is perfect for you if you want a full kit that covers all bases for tanning. Skip this if you're looking for just a simple machine, as this is more of an all-in-one package. It's a solid investment for professional-grade results. Alright, that was a comprehensive option, but if you prefer something more straightforward for home use, check out this next one. Product number 5. B-Tan Spray Tan Kit. We have the B-Tan Spray Tan Kit priced at $69. I was intrigued by the simplicity of this at-home solution. If you want an easy-to-use kit for personal tanning, this is definitely worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you. It includes everything you need to create a beautiful spray tan in just 3 steps. The adjustable spray control with 8 settings allows for customizing your tan level, which is fantastic for beginners. Plus, with its vegan-friendly formula, you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. It's gained traction with over 100 buyers recently, showing it's a popular choice for home users. However, some users said they wished the spray tan mist lasted longer. Here's the thing though, for a home kit, it's about convenience and ease of use, and this kit provides that in spades, especially if you're just getting started. This is perfect for you if you're seeking a simple solution for at-home tanning. Skip this one if you need salon-level results, as it's designed more for personal use. For the price, it offers a great entry point into the world of spray tanning. So there you have it, 5 fantastic mobile spray tan equipment options to consider. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the commercial spray tan machine kit because it offers everything you need for professional results right out of the box. Avoid the B-Tan spray tan kit if you're looking for something more advanced, as it's more suited for at-home use. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.